And hi, I'm back again. This is Sahid. I'm super excited to be here. This is welcoming you back to our channel where we discuss everything migration abroad, infotainment, healthy lifestyle, classic shows, and so on. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so right now. Like and share our videos, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that all important notification so you don't miss out on our future videos. So what are we talking about today? Let's get down to business.
Are you thinking about a fresh start in Europe? Look no further, your biggest opportunity is right here. In today's video, we'll be telling you about the massive opportunity to move to the 2024 happiest country in the world for free, and guess which country that is? Finland, particularly. As Finland fast-tracks its work permit processing amid the country's skilled labor shortages. Recall, Finland has only recently been named the 2024 happiest country in the world according to the World Happiness Report 2024, and did you know that's for the 7th year in a row? So, Finland is offering a free 5-year work visa and permanent residency to people around the world willing to come to work and live in Finland. In response to an urgent need for skilled professionals across various sectors, Finland has streamlined its processing of work-based residence permits, especially for foreign nationals with specialized expertise. This shift aims to address the country's ongoing labor shortages in professions requiring advanced qualifications and skills, allowing quicker entry for those bringing essential knowledge and capabilities. Finland is a Nordic country in Northern Europe. It borders Sweden to the northwest and Norway to the north. Finland has a population of 5.6 million. Helsinki is the capital and largest city. Finnish and Swedish are the official languages, however more than 75% of the country's population speak English language fluently, and the country's currency is euros. Finland is also a member of the European Union (EU) and belongs in the Schengen area, which also includes countries like Italy, Germany, France, the Netherlands, Switzerland, Portugal, Austria, Czech, Greece, Spain, Belgium, Poland, and Denmark. As of early 2024, the unemployment rate is around 8%. Are you aware that Finland offers a free 5-year work visa that you can obtain as soon as possible already? Your family members are equally welcome to come along, and as English is widely spoken in Finland, communication is easy peasy. The majority of the unfilled job vacancies and positions are for both skilled and semi-skilled workers, so taking an English language proficiency test is not required. The vast majority of the jobs have a monthly salary in the range of 2,000 to 4,000 euros. What are the benefits of the Finland work visa? One key benefit of this work visa in Finland is the quick application processing time. According to the Finnish Immigration Service, the processing period for specialists' residence permits has significantly decreased, offering quicker access to Finland's workforce. For those with exceptional expertise, the average processing time for a work-based residence permit is now just 9 days. This is an improvement from September 2023, when similar applications took an average of 12 days. Foreign nationals with specialized skills or advanced educational backgrounds now experience a smoother and faster application process, encouraging high-skilled professionals to contribute to Finland's economy without lengthy waiting times. The next crucial benefit is the competitive salary. The average annual salary in Finland starts around 45,000 euros, and salaries also have benefits and holiday pay. Another advantage is the initial residency permit that is offered as a long-term stay. The initial residency permit lets you stay and work for a full year. You can renew it for an additional 4 years, reaching a total of 5 years. After that, you can then apply for permanent residency. The vast majority of the people even find the most alluring is the freedom to travel within the Schengen area. Finland is part of the Schengen zone. With a Finnish visa, you can travel visa-free within 26 European countries including Germany, Austria, Belgium, Croatia, the Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Italy, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, the Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland. Also, with nearly 3/4 of the Finland population being English speakers, this makes communication and finding work easier across industries. Who qualifies as a specialist? To qualify as a specialist under Finland's revised process, applicants must meet specific criteria. 1. Hold an advanced degree or have acquired specialized skills through professional experience. 2. Earn a minimum monthly income of €3,600. These criteria ensure that the streamlined process attracts highly qualified professionals capable of meeting Finland's workforce demands in areas requiring advanced knowledge and specialized skills. Can I bring in my family members? That's always a huge question for people with families. Workers with valid work visas are allowed to travel accompanied by their spouses, children, and common law partners. They have the option to start working in addition to joining you. However, you'll need to provide proof of financial support for each family member.
What are the work visa requirements in Finland? You will have to present the following documents for the work visa. The documents are valid passport, to passport-sized photos, travel insurance. You shouldn't be subject to any travel prohibitions to any European countries, proof of job offer, proof of financial resources that is bank statements, details about your living situation such as rental agreement, as well as your travel and flight itinerary if applicable. What jobs can you get? Many jobs are available in the hospitality industry, including cleaning, cooking, nursing, caregiving, and dishwashing, etc. Popular job search websites to apply to the jobs include 1. workinfinland.com/and 2. Indeed.com 3. jobly.fi/and/jobs.fi and jobs 4. Glassdoor 5. LinkedIn. Ensure you apply as soon as possible as you can apply before arriving in Finland. How do you apply? Prepare a curriculum vitae and cover letter tailored for Finnish companies. Once you have a job offer, use the Enter Finland portal to apply for a residence permit. Submit your online application and then visit a Finnish embassy or consulate to provide original documents, photos, fingerprints, and any additional paperwork. If you found this information valuable and you're eager for more most updated information and immigration tips to successfully migrate, then kindly like, share, and subscribe, then hit the notification button to have all our latest videos produced. If you need help with specifics or individualized services in particular, please feel free to contact us by email. And let's create this success story together. Thank you.